Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of January 28th through February the 3rd, 2022. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's, we have the same deals, but not always, to make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store. Even Giant to Giant ads can vary, especially on sale price items. I've seen different sales posted online that are even different than what I have. So always check your own ads or check your app before you do these deals. My shopping list is in the description box below, so definitely check that out if you want to screenshot it. And let's go ahead and get into the deals. Cocomelon is in the background, so if you hear anything weird, that's probably what you hear. Okay, so the first thing, I did redeem some points, 50 choice points, and got these napkins. Now it said, I think 150 to 200 count. Well, my store doesn't even have that. And these were the only ones. These in like a 40 pack were ringing up for being part of the deal. But 100 napkins, nice napkins, which my husband will appreciate. He loves a good napkin. For 50 points, that is a good enough deal for me. There's rice you can also redeem for, and potatoes that are part of a deal. I opted to not do that deal. I just couldn't come up with a scenario of items that I personally need. I'm sure you can come up with a good deal, but just nothing that I needed really at that certain Insta Savings deal, or I think it was a point deal that you got back. So anyway, I opted out of that. I don't want to just do deals just to do them if it's things I don't need. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so the Daisy cottage cheese is $2. I had a 50-cent coupon that Daisy had mailed me quite a while back. That does not double, but then I bought it, has 30 cents back. And then I also had a bonus because I did Daisy cottage cheese a couple weeks ago, I think. I don't really remember when I did that one. But anyway, I got back that bonus too. So that was only a cost of 95 cents for me. This core bar, I did go to a different Giant. I was in a different area today, and they have a lot more selection of items. I guess it's more populated area. So this guy was in like the health food aisle in the refrigerated section. This has been on Ibotta for quite a while. It's $2.39 in store. Ibotta gives back $1.50, makes it an 11-cent moneymaker. And this So Delicious was also in the health food section. They had like the slices there in the refrigerated, and with the regular cheese, they had the shredded. So I went with this. I'm going to ask two different people if they want it. I already asked the one, and she said she don't think she can have it. So I'm probably not going to use that. But I'm working toward an Ibotta bonus, which I actually already got like $6 in bonus back. So it's $4.59. Ibotta gave me back $4.28. So it was a cost of 31 cents. But to reach my bonus, that is fine with me. Sometimes you got to pay just a little bit out of pocket to get to your bonus. But your bonus is more back, if that makes sense. Sometimes you got to calculate your cost before you just go for those bonuses. Musselmans, again, is the same price at $1.67. I only had 2 of those pealies left that I had gotten off of the products that I purchased last time. Now, this newer store had no pealies, where the other store, last time I went, they still had a whole bunch of them. So I only used the last 2 that I have. They don't double, but Ibotta gives back $1, so it makes them only a cost of 17 cents. And that is a cheap enough deal for me. This is a new Chobani creamer that I hope my husband really likes. It sounds good. He loves brown sugar. I just hope it's not spicy. I don't know, it's sizzling, so I kind of am a little worried that it's spicy. So I'll have to try that out and maybe do a video or post a little Instagram story. But $2.99, they're giving us a $1 load to cart coupon. It makes it $1.99 in store. Submit your receipt to Checkout 51 for $1 back, makes it a cost of 99 cents. The Checkout 51 offer is a limit of 1, so you can only grab it one time. So guys, I tried the 5-point freebie again this week because it was actually showing as a qualifying product, where last week nothing was showing as being qualifying. So I thought it was just, a glitch in the system. Well, here it wasn't working at all. But apparently they fixed it. So I did grab another Coke Zero, and that did work. It did work free. I just wanted to do it again and try it to give you guys an update. If not, I was going to go to customer service and say, hey, you guys charged me 2 times for something that's supposed to be a 5-point freebie. But anyway, it worked, so I'm probably just going to eat the cost on that. Let's see. The potatoes were $1.77 with the in-ad coupon. You can redeem 100 points for, I think it's 24 ounces of potatoes, so that's $1 for 24 ounces. Or you can pay $1.77 for 5 pounds, which 5 pounds is, let's see, I can't do my math, 80 ounces. So it's a better value if you can just use your in-ad coupon. And plus those potatoes, my husband doesn't like skin on potatoes, so I have to peel them, and they're like that small. It's easier to peel these guys, so I went with this. It's get more potato for your money. But those, I guess, are washable. You could just steam them in the bag, but that is not how I cook them. Okay, so I had changed my mind. I wasn't going to do this deal, but I decided to go for it because I love this Windex multi-surface, and I haven't seen a Windex multi-surface or any deal in quite a while. This is a disinfectant spray. It smells really good, and it works great on glass, and you can use it on counters. So I really, really like this stuff. I found that I had printed off 2 50-cent printables that were available a while back. I had printed 2 of those, and I had actually printed 1 of the scrubbing bubbles, which I didn't think I printed any of those because I'm not crazy about that, but I'll probably just put those in Christmas boxes. I like Lysol. I don't like bleach cleaner. I guess I'm messy and splash it on my clothes. I have done that before, and I get like bleach spots. I hate that. So I don't even like messing with bleach. But anyway, why am I talking about that right now? Let's just do the deal. Buy 4, get back 300 points. I grabbed 2 of the scrubbing bubbles at $1.99. Obviously, it would be a lot cheaper to grab 4 of those if you had 4 of those 50-cent printables, and they will all double for you. I didn't have all that, so I had to go with what I had, and I don't think those printables are available any longer. So if you didn't print them, you're probably out of luck. So anyway, I had 1 50-cent printable that doubled. 2 of the Windex at $3.09. I had 2 50-cent printables that doubled, making it a cost after getting back 300 points, $4.19 or $1.04 a piece, which is definitely a good price, especially on Windex. I think I still have 2 left in my stockpile, but I just like to have it. It makes me happy to have a little bit more. The Super Pretzel is $2.50 on sale. We have a $1 digital coupon they gave us like a week or 2 ago, and then I bought it's giving back $1.25, so a cost of only 25 cents, and another rebate toward my bonus. The fruit. So a different store actually had the frozen fruit. So this is not what I wanted. I wanted blueberry, but the only thing that they had at this store that was Giant brand that was qualifying, this is a different picture than what is online, but it was the same item. It did say no sugar added, cherry berry medley. It doesn't say that. I checked the ingredients and there's no sugar in it. So I thought I'd gamble, and it ended up working. So 50 choice points like a week, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. It expires on the 3rd, so I had to use it this week. So I was thankful I at least found this. I'm going to make some, maybe I'll do a recipe video. I make a muffin out of cake mix. It's really good. So maybe I'll do a recipe video on that. So I'm just going to use these berries and maybe make a little streusel topping, make a berry muffin. So anyway, 50 choice points. And then these Morningstar veggitizers. There's lots of different kinds. There's buffalo, there's popcorn chicken, there's taquitos, there's sausage pizza bites. I think there was pepperoni pizza bites. I can't remember what all, but the store I went to today had a whole bunch. When I checked the app for the store that I usually go to, they had like 3 choices and 1 was already out of stock. So, I guess the bigger store you go to, the more variety. So that thing is a 5-point freebie also. If you don't know how to get a 5-point freebie, I will link the video down below. I bought it as giving back 50 cents. So that makes it a 50-cent moneymaker. I'm actually interested to try these. I do not like plant-based stuff. I think it just tastes weird. But we'll give these a try. Maybe they'll be good dipped in some sauce. And the last deal, guys. Another deal that I told you in my ad review that I wasn't going to do. Here we go. I ended up doing it because these guys right here, when I checked, what was that, yesterday? Maybe this morning, I don't remember. But these canisters, let's see, they're 6.25 ounces. They were included in the spend 10, save $5. They're $2.79. The individual packets were like, was it an ounce? I think it was an ounce of taco seasoning for 89 cents. So it's a better value in the end. You would end up paying 47 cents if you bought 12 of them, I believe is what the math would be. Where, let's go ahead and talk about the breakdown here. And then I grabbed this taco kit. Again, keep in mind, these were different online than what it said in the ad, I believe, and even in different ads that I had looked at. But I grabbed that taco kit at $2.35. There's lots of other taco kits included. Total price after instant savings was $5.72 or $1.43. So if you wanted to buy one of those packets, 3 of those would get you 3 ounces for about the same price, $1.43, a little more. And you get twice the amount if you can get these things. So I think I'm set on taco seasoning for probably like 2 years. But anyway, I went ahead and just grabbed those. That way I don't have to worry about taco seasoning anymore for quite a while. And it was a good stock up price for me. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry I'm a little chatty. I had some Starbucks coffee and it just gets to me sometimes. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Stay safe in the weather that's coming. And I will see you guys in my next video.